I'm sure you've heard the news. Artificial intelligence or AI is no longer a concept of the future. It is here, and it is transforming industries at an unprecedented pace. From healthcare to finance, retail to manufacturing, AI is making waves and revolutionizing the way businesses operate. But what does this mean for you and your business? How can you harness the power of AI to stay ahead of the curve and drive innovation within your organization? Let's dive deeper into the world of AI and explore how it can be a game changer for your business. AI is transforming industries. In manufacturing, advanced robotics powered by AI are streamlining production processes, reducing errors, and increasing efficiency. In the finance sector, AI-driven automation is enhancing fraud detection, optimizing trading strategies, and providing personalized financial advice. Data centers are becoming more efficient with AI managing workloads and predicting hardware failures before they happen. The impact of AI is vast and varied, touching every aspect of business operations. But how can it work for you? The key to unlocking the potential of AI lies in understanding your specific business needs and identifying the areas where AI can make the most significant impact. Whether it's improving customer service, optimizing supply chain management, or enhancing decision-making processes, AI has the potential to transform your business in ways you never thought possible. It's about leveraging the right AI tools and technologies to address your unique challenges and drive growth. At the heart of innovation, AI is your ticket to a smarter, more efficient business. Imagine a futuristic office where holographic displays provide real-time data insights, AI-driven business analytics dashboards offer predictive analytics, and an innovative tech startup environment fosters creativity and collaboration. This is not a distant dream, it is the reality that AI can bring to your business. By integrating AI into your operations, you can unlock new levels of efficiency, productivity, and innovation. Imagine having a team of experts guiding you with AI consulting. These experts can help you navigate the complex world of AI, from assessing your readiness to pinpointing the best use cases for your business. They can provide valuable insights and recommendations on how to implement AI solutions effectively, ensuring that you get the maximum return on your investment. With the right guidance, you can harness the power of AI to drive innovation and achieve your business goals. From assessing your readiness to pinpointing the best use cases, AI consultants can help you every step of the way. They can conduct a thorough analysis of your business processes, identify areas where AI can add value, and develop a customized AI strategy tailored to your specific needs. This comprehensive approach ensures that you are well prepared to embrace AI and leverage its full potential to drive growth and innovation. Companies like IBM and Deloitte are setting benchmarks in the AI landscape. These industry leaders are at the forefront of AI innovation, developing cutting-edge solutions that are transforming businesses across the globe. By partnering with such companies, you can gain access to the latest AI technologies and best practices, ensuring that you stay ahead of the competition. They can help you navigate the AI landscape with ease, providing the expertise and support you need to succeed. Helping you navigate the AI landscape with ease. With their extensive experience and deep understanding of AI, these companies can guide you through the complexities of AI implementation, from selecting the right tools and technologies to integrating them seamlessly into your existing systems. They can provide ongoing support and training, ensuring that your team is well equipped to leverage AI to its full potential. By working with industry leaders, you can confidently embrace AI and drive innovation within your organization. Need something tailor-made? Custom AI model development is your answer. This approach allows you to develop AI models that are specifically designed to address your unique business needs and challenges. Whether you need predictive analytics to forecast market trends, fraud detection to protect your financial assets, or personalized recommendations to enhance customer experiences, custom AI models can provide the solutions you need to stay ahead of the competition. Custom AI model development is your answer. By working with experienced AI developers, you can create bespoke AI models that are tailored to your specific requirements. These models can be trained on your data, ensuring that they provide accurate and relevant insights that drive business growth. With custom AI models, you can address your unique challenges and unlock new opportunities for innovation and efficiency. Whether it's predictive analytics in healthcare, fraud detection in finance, or personalized recommendations in retail, AI has the potential to transform these industries. In healthcare, predictive analytics can help doctors make more accurate diagnoses and develop personalized treatment plans. In finance, AI-driven fraud detection can protect your assets and ensure the security of your transactions. In retail, personalized recommendations can enhance the customer experience and drive sales. The possibilities are endless, and the impact of AI is profound. Or personalized recommendations in retail, AI can provide tailored solutions that meet your specific needs. By analyzing customer data, AI can offer personalized product recommendations that enhance the shopping experience and drive sales. This level of personalization can help you build stronger relationships with your customers and increase customer loyalty. With AI, you can create a more engaging and satisfying shopping experience that sets you apart from the competition. Bespoke AI models are crafted to meet your unique needs and challenges. These models are designed to address your specific business requirements, providing tailored solutions that drive growth and innovation. By working with experienced data scientists, you can develop AI models that are trained on your data, ensuring that they provide accurate and relevant insights. With bespoke AI models, you can tackle your unique challenges and unlock new opportunities for success. Think of bespoke models as your secret weapon for outperforming competitors. These models can provide you with a competitive edge by offering insights and solutions that are tailored to your specific needs. By leveraging bespoke AI models, you can make more informed decisions, optimize your operations, and drive innovation within your organization. This level of customization can help you stay ahead of the competition and achieve your business goals. And let's not forget AI integration services. Seamlessly integrating AI into your existing systems is crucial for maximizing its potential. AI integration services can help you achieve this by providing the expertise and support you need to integrate AI solutions into your business processes. From CRM to ERP, AI can enhance your existing tools and systems, making them smarter and more efficient. By integrating AI into your operations, you can boost productivity, automate tasks, and enhance customer experiences. Seamlessly weave AI into your existing systems. This involves integrating AI solutions into your current business processes and workflows, ensuring that they work seamlessly with your existing tools and technologies. AI integration services can provide the expertise and support you need to achieve this, helping you to maximize the potential of AI and drive innovation within your organization. By integrating AI into your operations, you can enhance efficiency, productivity, and customer satisfaction, boosting productivity, automating tasks, and enhancing customer experiences. From CRM to ERP, AI can enhance your existing tools and systems, making them smarter and more efficient. By integrating AI into your operations, you can streamline processes, reduce manual tasks, and improve customer interactions. This can lead to increased productivity, cost savings, and a better overall customer experience. With AI, you can take your business to the next level and achieve your goals more effectively. AI makes your tools smarter and your business sharper. By integrating AI into your existing systems, you can enhance their capabilities and unlock new levels of efficiency and productivity. AI-powered applications can provide real-time insights, automate routine tasks, and improve decision-making processes. This can help you stay ahead of the competition and drive innovation within your organization. With AI, you can make your business smarter, sharper, and more competitive. So, why wait? The future is here, and AI is the key to unlocking its potential. By embracing AI, you can transform your business, drive innovation, and achieve your goals. Whether you need AI consulting, custom AI model development, or AI integration services, there are solutions available to meet your specific needs. Don't wait any longer. Take the first step towards a smarter, more efficient business today. Embrace the future, transform your business, and lead the way with AI solutions today. By leveraging the power of AI, you can stay ahead of the competition, drive innovation, and achieve your business goals. The future is bright, and AI is the key to unlocking its potential. So take the first step towards a smarter, more efficient business today, and lead the way with AI solutions. Today. By embracing AI, you can transform your business, drive innovation, and achieve your goals. Whether you need AI consulting, custom AI model development, or AI integration services, there are solutions available to meet your specific needs. Don't wait any longer. Take the first step towards a smarter, more efficient business today, and lead the way with AI solutions.